Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Kucoin to Phantom Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Kucoin exchange, and over here you just have to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now I am assuming that you already have Solana in your Kucoin account, and now you can follow the further steps. But if you don't have Solana in your account, you will first have to purchase USDT, and with that USDT you need to purchase Solana. Now once you have Solana in your account, you need to tap on the funding option in the top, and here you will see the withdrawal option. So you need to tap on withdrawal, and in the crypto tab you need to simply search for Sol. Now once you are able to find Solana in this list, you need to simply tap on it, and then you will be landed on this page. Over here in the top you will see two different tabs. The first will be of the on-chain and the second one is the internal. You need to make sure that the transaction since the transaction is between Kucoin and Phantom Wallet, you need to make sure that it is selected on the on-chain option. Afterwards, you need to make sure that in the coin Solana is selected. Now it will ask you to provide the wallet address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet, then tap on the receive option. Over here you will see Solana, so right next to it you will see this copy button, so you need to copy it from here and then go back to your Kucoin account, paste the address in the wallet address section. Then in the network you need to make sure that the Solana network is selected. Most likely Kucoin is going to select the network automatically, but if it doesn't, you need to make sure that you select the correct network. After that, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. Now the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.02 Sol. So you need to tap on the withdraw option. Once you are done with this form, you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner, and on the next page you just have to review your details, like you need to check your network, you need to check your wallet address again, and once everything is correct, you need to simply confirm your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed from the Kucoin's end, within 3 to 5 minutes, you are going to get your Solana in your Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.